Are you planning a trip to Korea? Korea is regarded as one of Asia's premier food destinations, with a remarkable 64% of visitors coming specifically to experience Korean cuisine. However, many tourists often wonder where to go to get an authentic culinary experience. To help solve this dilemma, we'll introduce some of the trendiest restaurants in Korea. Recently, the Netflix series Culinary Class Wars topped the global non-English category for 3 consecutive weeks, bringing fresh attention to Korea's food culture and sparking great interest among international tourists. Several chefs featured on the show have reported that their restaurants are now bustling with foreign visitors after the series aired. Today, let's take a closer look at the restaurants run by the top 8 chefs from the show and explore their unique culinary worlds. First, let me introduce you to Choi Dot, a restaurant run by Chef Choi Yun-sok, who ranked 8th. From Exit 8 of Cheongdam Station on Line 7, it takes about an 11-minute walk to get here. It has been recognized by the Michelin Guide, thanks to its unique molecular gastronomy-based menu. His signature dishes are Italian cuisines interpreted in a Korean way, and he creatively reinterprets various ingredients, even like energy bars and canned foods. The visually and tastefully stunning desserts have also gone viral on social media. The restaurant offers 90,000 Korean won lunch and 198,000 Korean won dinner courses, with a 3-course or 4-course option for lunch. The seasonal and inventive menus differentiate Choi Dot from other fine dining establishments, offering bold and playful flavors. The second restaurant is Tien Mimi, a Cantonese-style Chinese restaurant run by Chef Jung Ji-sun, who ranked 7th. It is located very close to Exit 9 of Hongik University Station on Line 2. Here, you can enjoy authentic Cantonese dim sum-based dishes at reasonable prices, enhanced by unique sauces that can only be found at this restaurant, earning it praise as one of the best Chinese dining experiences. Signature dishes include delicately crafted dim sum, garlic shrimp, and fish-flavored meatballs. The juicy meatballs and fresh ingredients especially receive high praise. Additionally, the set menus, starting from 50,000 Korean won, are diverse and well-suited for group visits. A standout menu, glutinous rice balls, is so popular that you need to reserve it in advance. The third restaurant is Joyful Table, a restaurant run by Kim Mi-ryong, the 6th-ranked chef known as the Imakase No. 1. From Cheongdam Station on Lines 4 and 1, it is about a 3-minute walk. This cozy gastropub offers a traditional Korean vibe with its clean and homey interior. All the dishes are made from seasonal ingredients selected by the chef on the same day, ensuring freshness. Since the menu is always a surprise, it creates anticipation every time you visit. And even before Kim's appearance on Culinary Class Wars, the place was famous among locals thanks to the friendly and generous owner. Many visitors feel well taken care of here, and it has a high rate of return customers. Be sure to arrive on time for your reservation, as the course starts at a set time. Next is Negi Live, the signature restaurant of Chef Jang Ho-jun, who ranked 5th. This place is located very close to Exit 3 of Sunsu Station on Line 2. This restaurant specializes in Japanese cuisine courses made with seasonal ingredients and shellfish, paired with a variety of drinks. The lunch course is priced at 150,000 won, while the dinner course is 250,000 won, with a diverse array of dishes featuring crab as the main ingredient. One of the most impressive aspects is that you can watch the entire cooking process live from a calm, scenic bar, which adds to the dining experience. The Yanagawa-style dish is particularly popular, combining the chef's excellent performance with a unique and flavorful dish. The various combinations using crab innard sauce are also highly praised for their quality. The 5th spot is Dippin, a dining and wine bar run by Chef Yoon Nam No, ranked 4th and known as the Cooking Madman. You can reach this place by exiting through Exit 3 of Sindang Station on Line 2. The menu features delicate French cuisine priced between 10,000 Korean won and 50,000 Korean won, with unique dishes and artful plating being the main highlights. Signature dishes like abalone, scallops, and beef tartare receive high praise. Especially the abalone dish, which is reinterpreted in an escargot style. Especially impressive creation according to many reviews. Fresh dishes are recommended for pairing with wine, with many diners noting the perfect harmony between the wine and the food. The dessert offerings that conclude the meal are also widely complimented. If you're a wine lover, Dippin is a must-visit destination. Next is Trid, a fine dining restaurant run by Chef Kong Sung-won, also known as the Triple Star Chef. It is about a 2-minute walk from Exit 8 of Apgujeong Rodeo Station on the Suwon-Bundong line. Trid offers contemporary dining with a global flair and has been recognized by the Michelin Guide. The restaurant offers a lunch course priced at 120,000 Korean won and a dinner course at 200,000 Korean won, with the menu changing slightly each season. One of the standout dishes is abalone served with a variety of onions and a luxurious truffle cream choux. Other popular dishes include truffle noodles and seasonal fish, all of which are highly praised. The wine pairing experience is said to be in perfect harmony with the food, offering an unforgettable culinary journey. Many reviews noted the attentive service and the high quality of the dishes, leaving diners thoroughly satisfied. Now it's time to introduce 610 Magnolia, run by runner-up Chef Edward Lee. Located in Louisville, Kentucky, this upscale dining restaurant offers modern American cuisine with a southern twist, featuring fresh ingredients sourced locally. The restaurant offers a prix-fixe menu with 3, 4, and 5-course options, including creative dishes and unique desserts. 610 Magnolia is praised as the perfect place to celebrate special occasions, with its cozy Victorian-style ambiance. The restaurant also stands out for its excellent wine pairings and attentive service, ensuring a relaxed and enjoyable dining experience throughout the evening. Our final destination is Via Toledo Pasta Bar, run by the winner of Culinary Class Wars, Kwon Sung-joon, also known as the Napoli Mafia. It is hidden about an 8-minute walk from Exit 1 of Namyang Station on Line 1. This restaurant is famous for its menu, which combines traditional Italian cooking techniques Kwon mastered in Naples with his creative flair. The dining experience is private, as only one group is served per seating, and the course meal, priced between 89,000 Korean won and 119,000 Korean won, features fresh handmade pasta and a menu that changes with the seasons. Diners can watch the chef prepare each dish in the open kitchen, making for a special and intimate experience. The restaurant is praised for its luxurious atmosphere, where guests can enjoy a quiet and refined meal. The signature feature of this restaurant is not individual orders, but tasting pasta that changes every quarter. The chestnut tiramisu served as dessert is also highly acclaimed for its unique taste and balance. Due to its exclusivity, it fills up quickly, so making an early reservation is essential. So far, we've explored the restaurants of the chefs featured in the Culinary Class Wars. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the next one. We'll be back with more interesting topics about Korea. Thank you for watching.